Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wisconsin Greg Show. I have a little visitor watching me. I'm sitting here in the parking lot in Delavan, Wisconsin eating some tacos in the truck and just having a little snack, and I think this guy wants a taco. I've never seen a seagull sit so still. My very first video that I made and put on YouTube had seagulls in it. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. I'll leave a link down below. Not the best video, but it was the very first video I ever put out, showing them following me while I was plowing the fields. It's 30 degrees up here in Wisconsin today. Not sure why that keeps focusing in and out. Anyway, it's pretty cold today. This guy's probably having a hard time finding something to eat because the worms are gone, and they like worms and bugs and stuff. Oh, he's just moving around. He's still staying here. Hello, Mr. Seagull. Are you looking for a worm? You're gonna have to go down pretty deep because they're all frozen. About 2 or 3 inches of frost in the ground. I'm sure you're looking for somebody to spill some food out their window, ain't you? Ah, poor guy. Worms are gone. He's looking for some food. Cold day here in Wisconsin, but the seagulls are still looking for food.